since we put a new belt on it. Little belt, basically fucked. More cracks than downtown. And now we're gonna put a substantially bigger pulley on it. This pulley, it seems really, really chintzy. So I don't know if it's gonna last, but we're gonna try.
Canadian Mower.
Not sure if it's gonna clear all the stuff. It might. Yeah, it really looks like it's there. And we've got to get our line down. Using a hammer, you know? That fucking piece of metal is... She's a little close. Might have to do something about that.
Careful.
Pretty good. I feel like that's gonna... It might be enough, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if there's gonna be enough play there for that to slip. That piece of metal the way it is.
Oh yeah, it looks like it's gonna eat the belt.
This fucking thing was so cheap it didn't even come with a set screw. I had to take the set screw out of the other one.
Canadian Tire shit.
That will most likely all have to change. That's okay, because
Can you just smash it?
I plan on changing the whole exhaust, so.
Can you just smash it this way a little?
Yeah, it's because this is welded on right there. So it's bending right here, so it's just gonna...
Oh, I see.
I'll fire it up and see what happens. Starts immediately backing stuff up.
Well, I didn't do that before. Yeah, buddy! It's definitely, it didn't.
Way faster.
Yeah.
Quite substantially. Seems to be working good. It's just gotta adjust that where that pulley is. It doesn't seem to be fucking the belt up or anything. I plan on changing it because I got to do something with the exhaust. It's all fucked because I rolled it off the back of the truck. Look how kinked it is right there.
That was from the rollover?
Yeah, on that. Oh, that could have went in the scrap metal pile.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Just had to get it straightened out because it was all off to one side.
Cockeyed?
All cocks to the eye, yeah. Not sure how long this super aluminum pulley is going to work for. I mean, the other one was aluminum, and it never wore down, I don't think. So I think I mean, it's good, right? Burns us.
Careful. Reckless. It's gonna hit the lawnmower racetrack we got around the old dilapidated shed. You took that like a champ. Yeah, she's a performer now. Yeah, that was like ear bleeding when you got off it and idled it. Fuck me. My ear balls.
Well, that's the sound of all the pulleys and everything. Look at that, man. Fucking bingo bango.
Yeah, that's gonna be tits. Custom.
Should probably like maybe short or something. Straight up. What do you think?
I think that second one looks easier.
Just had this nice stainless steel workbench installed today. It's a beauty.
Nothing but the best.
Got the tiniest of buzz boxes. Got past all this rough shit, you know? It's a clean spot.
Oh yeah. You got your Kyle safety glasses on.
Probably like that, eh?
Looks good to me.
You look good to me.
Oh, avalanche! Ship avalanche!
Get that on them big grab. That little welder is awesome. I don't have tons of awesome things to say about Canadian Tire, but man, that is a good little welder. Keep it more neighbor friendly.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that.
Fixed.